What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. Bitcoin having a good last 4 days. Take a look at the chart, see how high it can go in the short term. This year, you already know, I already said 250,000 is probably going to be the peak for Bitcoin this year and this cycle. We're also going to look at altcoins. We're going to take a look at altcoins. I know it's Friday, so we're going to try to do this as quickly as possible. TGIF to all of you. And so without further ado, let's do this. Okay, so Bitcoin, last 4 days going up. I see possible resistance at around here, 99,000. I also see a couple things, okay? It could be a head, right? A shoulder. Or it could be a little shoulder, a little head, and then maybe another little shoulder. The formings of inverse head and shoulders, okay? Which would be a bullish catalyst, okay? Just depends on how big it's going to be. It's going to be this little tiny thing right here. Okay, maybe we go up to 100,000, come back down, test this area, and then build out the final shoulder. The neckline would be this line right here, 101. Once we break past that, then we're going higher, probably touch the top of this line sometime in the next couple of weeks before this month is over. Remember, it's only the 3rd of January 2025. Bitcoin looking good, guys. Bitcoin looking good. Let's see how high we go on this little upswing now. Okay, and let's get right into altcoins, okay? Because that's all I really have to say about Bitcoin. Everything is looking fine with that. Synverse, check this out. This is a gaming play. Yesterday I mentioned that today I wanted to talk about gaming play, so let's talk about the gaming plays first. This would probably be the biggest one for me. And this movement up is because recently they just made mention of their Q1 of this year is going to be big. They had Synverse 3.0 come out, or is on the verge of coming out, and they are going to be listed on the Epic Game Store, which is going to give them a lot more exposure to the game. I have seen screenshots and videos of the new 3.0. It looks good. People are really excited about it. This is a low cap gem, less than 5 million market cap, 3 million market cap. Let's take a look really quick. If you're looking for a gaming play, this might be the one. 3 million market cap. Okay. 3 million market cap, 500,000 in volume. Volume has started picking up again. Fully diluted, 4.1 million. Still pretty good. Okay, you buy them on BitGet, KuCoin, MEXC, Gate.io, BingX. Okay, so I mean they are getting listed more and more places. Looking pretty bullish. They just need some more exposure. They got everything else going for them, guys. They really do. This project, I've been singing the praises of this project for the longest time. Okay, you're buying it basically at the floor, and I think this year Synverse is going to go way up there, way up there. I'm still very bullish on this project. Still a good buy price. Maybe wait for some red days, consolidation if we can't break past 0.04. Right? So there's Synverse. That's the one that I want to bring most to your attention. That's pretty much the gaming play that I would bet on. I also like Creo. I still like Creo. Okay, Creo is, after this big move, it dropped down a lot. Let's see what happens. I think it's probably gonna do something again like this. All right, so maybe buying it right now and then waiting for it to pump up hard like it has here. Last time we touched this line, I would expect something along those lines. All right, but this time maybe it doesn't stop. Maybe it keeps going. And one that I was kind of wishy-washy on, I don't have it here, so let's not even talk about that one. Synverse and Creo, those are the two ones that I would bet on, and I would bet more on Synverse because Creo is already at like a 14 million, 15 million market cap. Okay, now let's take a look at Miggles, because I said this could possibly be the bottom, right? After this drop, this probably indicate the bottom. I wanted to see you see a long wick, and I wanted to see it green. And it is green, and so far we're having a green day so far. 6 cents. It went as low as 4 cents, guys. So Mr. Miggles on base. This is like a $50 million market cap. It's been as high as 100 and something million. Okay, so I mean, getting back up, getting up here, so you're gonna easily double your money. Getting back up here is how much? Let's see. From right here, from where it's at, current levels. No, you want to double your money. You 200, 2 times your money, not double your money. 200. Right, double your money is only 100%. This is 200%. Right, so I mean, 2 times your money, 200%. So you put $1,000 here, right here. That's 200%. $3,000. Is that right? All right, so pretty good, pretty good. I'd bet big on this. I would still just finishing up on Mr. Migos, I would still be buying right here. I'd be buying and buying because I think this thing's gonna go here and much higher. Apparently, Wintermute, which is like their market maker, which is an excellent market maker, apparently is moving tokens to exchange wallets. Okay, that could mean a possible big exchange listing, and if that happens, if it's Coinbase or if it's Binance, guys, this thing is going to skyrocket into the billions in short order, guys, within a month. Okay, you could see something like that take off. This is also an IP coin, okay, which means intellectual property. I mentioned it yesterday. Toshi is also another one of those, and Toshi's having a green day too. And these are all on base, as I've been mentioning too. Look at Keyboard Cat, right? Got out of this triangle with strength as it dropped down here. Boom. See you later. I like that. Keyboard Cat is going to do extremely well too. Keyboard Cat is going to do extremely well, and I also think Dog and Me is going to do extremely well these last 2 days, moving up over 20 million market cap now. I'd like to see it break above 0.0035, build a nice little base, and keep going up. This time, I think it's going to break past this. I think it's going to go much higher. That's how I see that. Those are the ones that I would really focus a lot of energy on, a lot of resources on, because I think they're going to do really well. Base is going to do extremely well. Apple, I think, is also going to do extremely well, and to buy it, where it is right now, not going past this line yet. Once we break past this line and break out of this little triangle area, then I can see us not really seeing too much resistance until maybe 0.003. Break to that. I don't see much resistance until 0.08 or a penny. Okay, so I mean, it doesn't take much. Really, we just got to kind of break through this area would be the biggest hurdle, and then everything else is lighter work. Let's see how the projects from yesterday that we were looking at, how they're doing today. Okay, I think we are seeing some retraces. IQ, for example, right? And remember, what goes up must come down. Things need to consolidate, and maybe this is the beginning of a consolidation for IQ. Remember, I was bringing it to you down here, so I mean 17 million market cap. That it drops more, maybe it could drop down to 15, 10, 12 million market cap. That's what I'd be nibbling. Have some patience to get into these projects right now because they have pumped. So now just wait for them to die down a little bit. This one doesn't seem like it wants to drop right now. This one seems like it wants to keep going up. Quant XBT 18 million market cap. Okay. What's Agency doing right now? I like Agency a lot. 16 million market cap. I like it because it's pretty good. It's pretty good if you use it. It's pretty easy to use. Okay, you can go in the Telegram and ask it, give it the contract address, and tell it to research it for you, and it does it in a matter of a minute or two. Okay, and it's really thorough. It's really good. It's stronger than the other ones from what I've seen, from what I've used, from my own experience. It's stronger in terms of the data that it brings back, and its analysis is slightly better, slightly more in depth. All right, but right now it's having a red day. Let's see if from here it does start to consolidate, guys. All right. Here's one that's coming back from the dead. Mana, meme, archaic, numismatic asset. You can see curved, a little curve, and now it's moving up. Let's see if it starts moving up in strength, right? 6 million market cap, 3.5 million wine. Pretty good numbers, guys. Pretty good numbers. And you're buying it probably close to the bottom. If this was in fact the bottom, it looks like it's starting to move in the right direction. Finally, Bro looking like it's consolidating. Neuro Bros by Virtuals. Guys, Virtuals is killing it. Okay, Virtuals protocol, I think right now is like a $4 billion market cap. This is one of the agents, Neuro Bros, and this is probably going to be one of its more successful agents. 28 million market cap. Remember, yesterday it was at like 30 plus. So it looks like just maybe this is the start of the consolidation, and this is when you want to start nibbling in, start buying, waiting for it to go sideways, seeing how low it drops. Let's put some fibs on it really quickly. Swing low right here. Look, it touched below the 786 and it came right back. I mean, 618, which would be represented at 2 cents, 2.024. The 786 is at 0.019. It could probably get there. It could possibly get there if you're patient enough. If not, right, if it stays kind of at the 0.05 and it kind of drops down here to 0.04, 0.05 would be at 0.026, right? Maybe some nibbles, and then wait, see if it drops down a little more. And maybe, just maybe, it doesn't. Right now, it's showing some strength, but that doesn't mean anything. In the next couple of days, if it's still consolidating, it could just kind of slowly come down to the 0.618. Okay, so just keep that stuff in mind. Okay, but I mean, now it's looking better in terms of actually getting in. Since you missed this, right? If you missed this, then now it'd be better to start getting in. But again, nibbling, right? See REI, what's it looking like today? Showing some strength, man. Showing some strength, but I think it is going to consolidate, all right? Because it hasn't gotten back up above this 15 cents. Right now it's 15.15, but right here that body is at 15.84. Okay, so I mean, unless it goes up, we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'm guessing more of the same, this little up and down thing, up and down, up and down. If that's the case, then yeah, I could see it kind of consolidating for a little while longer before moving up to the next leg, getting some more strength to do that. Let's see what else. Anything else that has stood out? MSTR, I mentioned yesterday that it hit, that I thought it hit the bottom, right? MSTR 2100, and look at that. Look at that. This seems for now to be the bottom, and if that isn't in fact the case, last time we touched this line, look what we did. We went all the way up here to $3.68. Do we see, is this the beginnings of this move? Something similar? I'm gonna say yes. It could take a while. It could take a while. It could take weeks. Could take months, right? A couple months, or maybe not. Maybe it takes a shorter amount of time. 13 million market cap. Yesterday it was under 10. 682,000 in volume. A lot of people were buying, waiting for that, guys. So I mean, hey, MSTR 2100. I think it bottomed out. And I think that is it, boys and girls. I think that is it. Let's see what else did I want to bring to your attention. Ooh, look at this. Anon from base is starting to move on. It's starting to move again. Super Anon, 21 million market cap. And I think maybe, hopefully that this was in fact the bottom. And now it's starting to move up. Let's hope that it does. 21 million market cap. 696,000, 97,000 in volume on base. Still pretty good. Still pretty low, right? What's Vibe doing? Vibe going up and down, just kind of playing with our emotions. Vibe Cat, also one that I'm bullish on. Let's see, do we get out of this triangle on this one, or is it just going to be another fake out like it has been? So far pretty decent. So far pretty decent. Looking like it doesn't want to come down here to the bottom of this triangle. But let's see what happens. I mean, not a bad buy price, 0057. It's actually pretty good buy price. 5.6 million in market cap, 463,000 in volume. Vibe Cat on Solana, guys. Not a bad one at all. And I think, what else do I want to bring to your attention? I mentioned to you guys yesterday Velez, and it's dropping back down, 18 million market cap. I think maybe it's kind of still too early for this project, but if you have a little bit of patience and you want to put something on something that, you know, could possibly pump, maybe not a whole lot, but who's got a great idea, right? A virtual world for these AI agents. I mean, its time might come sooner than we think. Maybe it's a little too early now, but interesting project. Definitely do your homework and research it. Velez. Let's see what Alch is doing. Alchemist AI 182. Okay, so it's dropped some. Could it be that it's beginning to consolidate too? Still a little too early to tell, because this could turn around. But I mean, maybe it does something like this to a smaller degree, right? Drops down. Let's put some fibs on it really quick, and then we'll call it a day. All right. So far, holding the top part up here. Okay, the 618 would be down here at 12 cents. 12.53, and the 786 would be at 9 cents. Could be that we get down there. Okay, so have some patience. Watch it. If you want to nibble, maybe nibble something small, because it could be that it keeps going up. Okay, maybe that it doesn't drop to 618, but as you've seen, or as we've seen, normally they do come down to 618 to 786, guys. Okay, we're given enough time to consolidate. They will get down there and then probably base out there and then move up again. Okay. But it doesn't mean this is starting to do that now. Okay, we have to wait for more confirmations. Give it a couple of days, but watch it. Maybe, just maybe, you want to nibble a little bit right here, and then just wait to see what happens. Cool. All right, cool. We'll leave it there. I don't want to make this too long, guys. Bitcoin 98,000, baby. Let's go. Let's see it get to. You think it's gonna get to 100 today? I don't know. It's kind of early right now. Time I'm making this video, so maybe we do touch 99,000 today. Let's see. It'll be interesting. If we do touch 99,000, I'd like to see it break past this, because if not, if we don't break past this 99,400, then I can see us rejecting. Saturday, Sunday don't do much, and then kind of next week kind of touching the bottom of this before pumping back up. But we'll see. We'll take it day by day. This is the year, guys, so make sure you're positioned. Okay, have yourselves a great weekend, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. Trying to grow this channel, all that stuff really does help. With all that said, I will see you guys Monday. Have a good one. Peace.